This video is about how to deal with missing equipment. We'll start with what to do on the mobile device. Tap on the site. Let's say it's the equipment in the kitchen that can't be located. Let's try to find the equipment first. Tap on Inspection Do. Tap on Kitchen. Tap View on Floor Plan. When the floor plan opens, you can see where the green dot is as to where it should be. Press the back arrow to get back to the equipment list screen. If you're where the equipment should be and it's obviously gone, you have a decision to make. You can just mark it missing, which will take it off the list for this round of inspections. This will also put in a note in the equipment history saying it was not in at time of inspections or couldn't access. The other option is to replace the equipment with a shop spare that is already logged. The third option would be to just delete the piece of equipment and add equipment that isn't already logged. First, let's just mark the equipment as missing and see it being taken off the list. I'll tap on Kitchen. Tap Could Not Service. Tap on a reason, like not in at time of inspection. Notice the equipment at Kitchen no longer shows up under Inspection Due. This will show up in the history records and will show in red on the inspection reports. This equipment will not show up again under Inspection Due until that frequency has passed. If you want to do more than just mark the equipment as missing because you feel it is gone for good, then you can either replace the equipment using the Replace Equipment feature, or delete the equipment and then add the equipment. Let's look at replacing the equipment first. I have to show you first that the equipment is already logged in a shop spare account. In the shop account that I have set up, here is the equipment already logged. I'll go back into the account that I was in. Tap on Kitchen. Tap on Replace Equipment. Scan the barcode of the replacement equipment. It will say Equipment Replaced. Scan the equipment again to see what happened. The equipment that was there is now deleted and the replacement equipment is now moved from the shop spare site to this site with this location. By replacing the equipment, let's see what happened from the website. Select the site. Select the piece of equipment at the kitchen. On the right-hand pane, see the history item that says Added as Replacement. The last option would be to delete and add another piece of equipment. To do this, tap on the equipment. Click on Delete Equipment. Then click Yes, Delete Equipment. Bring in the new equipment. Apply the barcode to it. Then scan the new equipment's barcode and continue to add the new equipment. This concludes the instructional video on how to deal with missing equipment.